Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Fishing up a 2021 Tesla Model 3 full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus with the ceramic film by XPEL XR Plus for the highest IR rejection today. So let's walk around this install and take a look at what we do. So we'll look at all our common areas where all the wrap gets done, and we'll look at all from the fender into the hood getting wrapped, removing our T and putting it back in place, wrapping from the fender into the bumper, and making sure that everything's really clean and glossy, no adhesive marks. This paint turned out really good on this car from Tesla. There was no debris in the paint at all. Very, very rare, but it was nice. Coming around all the cameras, everything's real clean. Coming into the doors, everything's real clean. Coming up our A-pillars, all nicely done. Back out here a little bit and come to the door. Coming around, wrapping inside each door. Wrapping in from the rear to the front area. Coming around this door here, and that's both sides obviously are the same. And then coming around, wrapping them inside the fender area. Let's come around the back side here. Oh, and by the way, our tint, always getting that negative edge. I'm gonna focus on that for a while. No gap. I've been seeing a lot of tints still where they got a gap that's a 1/4 inch. Uncalled for. Let's get that tight, make it look factory, like it's a factory glass. And then we come around the back side, same thing, no lines up to here. We get under these moldings all the way around all of them. No lines, wrapping the full hatch. So everything's great. Back window, all done in XR Plus, obviously, all one sheet so that we don't have any seaming, because seams will start to separate later. Coming inside the port. And then that's about it, folks. So here's the back door, the XR Plus. Again, running that seam real tight. Show you from the other side. So there it is. That's what you want for your window tint. And of course you want the best film, and that's gonna be XR Plus today. So there we go. 2021 Tesla Model Y. Getting the XPEL treatment. So it's got the best heat rejection, and it's got the best paint protection on it with the ceramic coating over the top of the film for that extra durability, slickness, cleanliness. And of course on our window tint, as always, should you damage some tint on a window, we always replace it at no charge. Bring it in, let us know, and we'll get you changed out as quickly as we can. Thanks for watching, guys. Clearbrow, North Dallas, and you can reach us at 214-414-3809. And my name is Brent. My direct line 940-703-8301. Please leave a message for me if I don't answer. I'll get back to you, I promise. Sometimes it takes a little bit, but there you go. Thanks for watching. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com.